Oh, you got it. You got it. Oh, there you go. Oh, there you go. Oh, there you go. Oh, look at you. You did your first steps.
There's people like not home right now. And
They're
like,
shh. Shh. Hi, baby. Stark? Stark. Come on. Come on.
He gets distracted too easily.
come on.
What are you people doing?
Come on.
Supposedly your kind are supposed to be smart, so hopefully I can train. Didn't get enough video yet. Oh, now he's quick. Oh my god. Oh my god. Break the window.
Did you see your friend? Did you see him? Yes. Are you a good kitty? You're a good kitty.
Oh, that wasn't. Sometimes he'll pounce on it.
Night one is going good, right? Oh, Stark. Oh, Stark. Oh, there's baby Makes.
Nico.
Are you guys gonna
he just,
meet?
doesn't care.
Stark. Stark, look at your brother.
He seems okay. He keeps coming back. Oh, no, he's gone now.
So the original plan was to not introduce the cats on the first day, but Miko and Duffy have seen him, and Bags has been curious. And that's all Miko does. He just stares at him at that distance and watches Stark. He's so weird. He lays all the way down when he eats.
I know, he's weird.
Miko!
He's like the messiest eater ever.
Miko, come here. Baby Makes.
He creeps in here.
Does he?
Yeah, he made it to like almost to the desk earlier, and then I got up and he freaked out.
Stark. So this morning of day 2, I guess first full day, Jacob said he just had an accident at he came down here at 4 in the morning, so he just had one little pee accident in the hallway. So I guess he somehow got out of his crate last night. Maybe it wasn't shut properly, but that's all he did. And we put him in there. We didn't take him outside for a while. It was like 9:30 to 4, so that's pretty good if he only had one accident. And the cats are doing well as too. Let's start get it. Oh my gosh, my poor baby. Start, go get the ball. Start, get the ball.
let's start it.
Oh, Winchester.
I know.
Oh, look at Winchester. Oh, he's letting him chew on it. What a good boy. What a good cousin. You know tennis balls. No, Mal wants some action.
What's up, Mal? Oh, sorry, Bushy. Bushy.
There will always be those that will resist.
Come here. Come here. Stark. Bring it back. Come here. Bring it back. Good boy.
Start. Start.
Oh, God.
That was a little faster than that one. This way.
Get him, Stark. What is that, Winchester?
It's okay. Where are you going?
What are you doing, Stark? Get him, Stark.
Get him.
Stark, are you okay? Good evening from Springs. So, my family is visiting, and my mom got to Springs a little earlier than us tonight, and we got on the wait list for Gideon's. It was 3 hours and 40 minutes. We have
Really short.
yeah,
Because yesterday was the official grand opening, and it was like 12 hours. So,
and we have 30
3 hours
minutes
pretty
left.
good. Yeah.
So we'll show you guys the inside and cookies options. I'm not sure if we're going to try to eat them here, but we can definitely do a review once we get home. I'm not sure what we're doing tonight, but we're on the list. That's all that matters.
Yes.
So we'll see you once we get called. So in case you don't know where Gideon's is, it's right across the street from the hangar in Wine Bar George.
And they always keep the door closed because they don't want you to see what it looks like inside.
Yes.
Because that's like the whole point of going, is like for the experience.
Yes, so I can't wait to see inside. I have not seen actually any footage of inside.
I saw the pictures that they released when they opened.
Oh,
I
okay.
guess you can kind of
So this line right here is the return line. So we're gonna jump in. It does not seem that long. So that's where we're gonna get in right now. Right up there by the lady up there.
See? So they also have cake slices, and they also have cold brew and other beverages.
So there is a lot of chocolate. So the wait now is 6 hours.
That's what I overheard.
So isn't the Disney Springs closes though?
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know if they did that math.
So all you have to know, so just to let you know, like Alyssa, my sister, put in the name. She just sent me the screenshot. All you have to say is her name. So if you can have a party come sooner, come in line. Very short line to get in. Just to be clear, there is a limit of 6 per person, which is a lot. I'm actually surprised it's 6.
Well, it's 3 pounds of cookies. Because each cookie is a half pound.
It's very different from Everglades, because when I went to Everglades, it was 1 per person.
Yeah.
So I was gonna get one for him, and I couldn't because it was only 1. So
I mean, that's plenty. You get 12 cookies between the two of us.
Yeah.
Because the one I had to eat it in like 3 sittings because it's
Yeah.
so like, it's a lot.
Yeah. Well, I'll time how long this is just so you can know what to expect once you get called. It's still probably going to be about another 30 minutes on top of it. What time is it?
We'll just say we'll start at 6:20.
6:20.
It's been about 5 minutes already.
Okay, 6:20. We'll see when we get in. Okay, so we did hear that they did cut off the line because the line was going over what Disney Springs was open.
So I think she said it's 5 hours. It would be 5 hours.
Yeah,
They're not even open for
right.
5 more hours.
So yeah, they definitely cut off the line. So you do have to get here very early, really.
I mean, the best way to do it is if you come here with like a dinner reservation to just put
Yes.
your name in first and then go to eat. Because then you can easily burn time.
Because that's what we did. We went to Raglan Road, and that took 2 hours or so, and then we had only like an hour and a half-ish to burn.
Yeah, I mean, we really haven't sat since
No.
we got done with dinner. So.
No. That's the way to do it.
Yeah. It's not like you just like sit here for.
No, you don't have to
6
just
hours,
sit and
you know?
wait.
Otherwise, the line would be around like crazy.
So yeah, there's no window like from the inside, so you can't really see anything.
Yeah, I mean, when they hold the door open, you can kind of see in there.
Yeah.
They like to keep it a mystery.
I know, that's like so fun. So there are quite a few workers that come out, make sure you don't have any questions before going in. It's very organized, I would
They
say.
do it very well.
Yeah.
For how busy it is.
Yeah. Yeah. Time check.
15 minutes.
Yay, we're almost there.
It goes really fast. Very efficient. I mean, how long can you spend in there, really? You know?
Right, yeah. Oh, we're so excited. We're next in line, guys. For cookies, cakes, and curiosity at Gideon's. Oh, they're going in. Ooh.
It smells incredible in here.
Oh my god. It's so cute in here.
It's awesome. Look at the little fire over there. Oh, I can't zoom in when I'm filming.
Oh my god. They have red velvet cake.
Do they? Oh, limited. So limited edition items are 2 per person, not 6.
So that's the coffee toffee, chocolate chip, and the coffee cake cookie.
So those are 2 per person.
Yeah.
I love the pictures.
Oh, it's so cool in here.
It is really cool. There's got to be like a story behind this that. Oh, so the boxes they have a little.
You can get candles.
This is coffee cake cookie candy.
Candles. We just bought candles.
We did. If our house could smell like this, that'd be awesome.
That'd be impressive.
This is impressive. It's very cool.
It's so cute.
It is. So there's the menu.
Yeah, but one of the cookies is already vanished. See, this
Oh,
cake
no.
flavor has vanished.
Oh no. 2 of them are gone. Reminds me of Haunted Mansion.
I love it in here.
I know, it's really cool.
I don't like chocolate. I still love
Ooh, it looks cool on your hand. Those are the cookies.
So we got our Gideons. We got 2 chocolate chips, 1 peanut butter chocolate, and 1 cookies and cream. So for me, I'm gonna try the cookies and cream. It might be a little too cookie for me. Even though Oreo is not chocolate.
It's not apparently.
It's not.
Even though No, it is.
It's not.
It's Oreo, not chocolate.
So the only thing I was disappointed because they only had one cake option left, and usually they would have 4 options for cake. They only had red velvet left.
They probably only have so much cake. A lot of
Yeah.
people.
Yeah. Well, and they had the cookie, the coffee cake cookie, but that's only for the morning. But I mean, like, the Disney Springs is open until 10. Like, what do they qualify as morning?
I mean, I would assume till noon, but I don't know. Because then you have to be like one of the first people here, otherwise you don't get that cookie.
Yeah. Okay, never mind. We found a table with good lighting, so we're gonna try them here. And this one's the chocolate chip. That one's chocolate chip, and this is the peanut butter one.
I'll do the chocolate chip for your sake.
Okay.
Look how gooey it is.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, look at how big, compared to my hand for scale, how big it is. It's like melted. Ready?
Yes.
I can't grab it because it's like melting. It's alright, I can just go for it. Oh my god. It's incredible.
What makes them so good?
Like, it's so mushy that it tastes like it's raw.
Like cookie dough.
Yeah. And then they on all of them, they like sprinkle sea salt on top. So it's like a little bit salty.
You have a lot in your teeth.
It was intense. There's no way that I can eat a whole cookie in one sitting. It's like,
Okay, guys, let me try my first ever Gideon cookie.
It's like a lump of coal. Look how black it is.
Can I break off a piece? Okay.
Yeah. Like, look, see? Like how mushy it is.
Oh my god.
Right?
Oh my god. That's worth the wait right there. Oh my god. That is so good.
I told you.
And it's like the perfect balance. Like, it's just Oreo. There's no chocolate.
Right? But it's like the consistency, like it's so
It's
soft.
like cookie dough.
Yeah, it is. It's like doesn't even taste like a like it
Oh
tastes
my
like
God.
a cookie, but see, and then you can't stop. That's the problem. I told you.
Oh my god. That is so good.
See, like look at how like moist it looks.
Yeah, yours looks like cookie dough.
Yeah,
Oh my god.
but it's not.
This is so good.
Well, according to their menu, it took them 15 years to perfect the recipe for this cookie, the chocolate chip cookie. That's
Oh,
they
is that what it said?
That's what it said.
Wow.
Told you.
I understand now.
Right? So good.
So I'm definitely regretting not getting 2. Cause like, so you could get 6 each, but like Jacob made a good point. He didn't know how long they were good for. And since they are basically cookie dough, they probably don't last very long.
Well, they probably don't stay that mushy for very long.
Yeah. So,
Oh, now it's staying.
it's very good. I'm still sad we couldn't get the WandaVision cake, but this was very good though. So, yeah. I don't know, maybe we'll stay a little bit longer, maybe we won't. But either way, we'll go home because we want to show you our artwork from Festival of the Arts that we got. So, we have some different house stuff, so we'll show you an update of what we've done to the house too. Okay, we are back home. Mr. Stark is eating. He already made a mess of water. So I just wanted to show you guys. So this is what we got from Festival of the Arts this year. Love them. Prequels all the way. And Jacob got that Mandalorian one, which is very cool. And we just got our 2020 book. So every year I make a book since we've started dating. I've made a book of memories. They're all right in here. This is 2019. So 2020 just came. I wanted to show you guys the living room. We added, so that couch used to be in the office, and we just wanted to move it up here and give more seating in the living room, and I love it. So I'm very happy with that. And we added We had these tables in the apartment, but we didn't really use them here. We brought them up. Can have all my villainous on display. Love that. Oh, he's almost got it open. Ah! Look at it.
There's a bunch of stuff in here.
Yeah, it's okay.
You chose for the cover?
I thought that was a good picture. That like
It is.
it shows like.
I was
I know we should have done wedding, but like we have our wedding books. That really captures.
just FYI, I did this entire book already, and then she redid the whole thing.
Don't bend the pages like that.
You can't. You're supposed to.
Oh, you
It's
are?
fresh. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, see, because it's tucked in there.
So last update with the house, I just wanted to show you we are making this into Jacob's music room. It was office, so we're transitioning. We're in the transition phase. He just painted these dark gray, and he installed that light. It's really bad lighting in here, I'm sorry, because the light is dim. It's meant to be dim, so kind of like a loungy vibe. So yeah, he just painted these gray last night. So yeah. So I'll show you guys. I'll show you once this is all done, but it's not going to be done for a while because we don't know when all the furniture is coming. And just an update, you guys, too. Him and the cats. It's definitely a work in progress, but he's doing great. They're all doing great. The cats are happy, and they're starting to come by each other, so that's good. But okay, so that was a little hodgepodge video. We will definitely do a Festival of the Arts video. I don't know when. We'll decide. And we will definitely be at February 6th. We'll be at Mardi Gras, so that's 2 weeks away or so. We'll definitely be there. So we'll probably do another home vlog too, just so you guys can catch up on the dog and where he's at and any home improvements we're doing. So that is it for now. Jacob, say wave. See you soon.